Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a exceptional 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom home for sale. It is located at Amethyst Drive in Red Hills, St. Andrew. It sits on 0.31 acres of land. As you enter, you will be greeted by the stunning aquascape below the staircase. The home features a TV room, perfect for movie nights. The kitchen is a chef's dream, with top and bottom cupboards, granite countertops, double stainless steel sinks, and island, and a breakfast nook. The dining area is perfect for hosting family dinners. On the entry level, you will find 2 full bedrooms, a study, a soundproof music studio, and an enclosed patio. Upstairs, you will find a cozy sitting area, a balcony, and a large master bedroom with a walk-in closet. Bathroom with a jetted tub for two and double vanity. There are 2 other bedrooms on this level, each with their own unique charm. Now you can have it all. Automatic gate, double car garage, surveillance cameras, reserved water with pump, and house is fully solar powered. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own this exceptional home with all these amazing features. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 97 million or US $630.2 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.